Hello and welcome to How to Play Pig, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the dice game Pig. The video will start with the general concepts and then cover the gameplay. The game is played with 2 or more players and 1 die. The object of the game is to be the first player to 100 points. The points are scored by rolling a 2 through 6 on the die and avoid rolling a 1. Player 1 starts the game with the first roll of 3, bringing player 1's score to 3. Players can roll as many times as they want each turn, but if they roll a 1, all the points accumulated on the turn are lost. Player 1 decides to roll again and rolls a 4, bringing his total to 7. Again, player 1 can decide to stop rolling or continue to roll and risking his 7 points. Player 1 rolls again and gets a 4 for 11 points. Player 1 decides to roll again and gets 2 for 13. Player 1 decides to roll again and gets a 1. This erases all of player 1's points and play moves to player 2. Player 2 begins rolling and keeping a running total. Player 2 rolls a 5, then a 3, then another 3 for a total of 11. Player 2 decides to stop rolling and scores 11 points. Play moves to player 3. Players continue to take turns rolling, with each turn lasting until a player rolls a 1 or the player decides to stop rolling and score for the total amount rolled. After each player's turn, a scorekeeper will record the player's score. The first player to 100 points wins the game. When players roll a 1 at the end of their turn, they don't score for that round, but any points from previous rounds are kept. That wraps up How to Play Pig. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.